Hey, girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very happy to be with you today. How are you doing today? Thumbs up, thumbs down, two thumbs up, two thumbs down, maybe like in the middle. Well, hopefully, if you're here by the end of today, you'll be like at least here. And if you're here, maybe by the end of today, you'll be like there. I mean, who knows? Who knows? But we can always dream, right? What are we doing? Tens partners. Are you starting to see those tens partners like everywhere? I mean, they're awesome, right? Okay, so in your math packet, let's get started. Please take out your, it says, sorry, let me move me out of the way. It says Tuesday word problem, add or subtract. All right, let's take a look. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to warn you now. This is a kind of a different word problem than you're used to. So I want you to just take a deep breath, read along with me, and I really want you to think about what's going on. Okay? Think about what's going on. All right. Here we go. It says Molly caught 6 butterflies. Okay, so already you're thinking like Molly, maybe she's a girl my age, maybe my name's Molly, who knows? And she caught 6 butterflies. And if this is our net, right, there's 6 of them in there. In fact, right now I'm going to draw 6 butterflies. I'm just going to do circles for butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then it says, how many more butterflies does she need to catch? Okay, in order to fill up her butterfly net. Okay, so this is important. Her butterfly net, we're going to call this her butterfly net. And last time we said that her net, that butterfly nets, can hold up to 10 butterflies, right? So that's why it's like a 10 frame. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the most. Once you get 10, you can't fit any more in there. Okay, it's filled up. No more butterflies can go in. Okay? And it even says to you right here, remember, a butterfly net holds 10 butterflies, like a 10 frame. Okay, so what is the question? What are we trying to figure out? That's always an important thing to do, right? If you don't know where you're going, how are you going to get there? So it says, how many more butterflies does she need to catch in order to fill up her butterfly net? Well, if we look, she's already caught 6. So how many more butterflies would she need to fill up the whole thing? Right? How many empty spots are there? So we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And there's our 10th partner because 6 and 4 more would give us 10. Right? Just like we learned the other day, all of our 10th partners, right? Maybe all this work that we did, right? So we know that if there's 6 butterflies, okay, and you're trying to get to 10, you need 4 more, okay? So the way this kind of looks, boys and girls, in terms of thinking about it is, it's like 6 plus what is going to give me 10? Okay, because this is what we don't know. But we saw that you could use 1, 2, 3, you could fit 4 more. So our number sentence is going to be, let's write this down. Make sure you're writing all this down. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, but to start off, right, we knew there were 6 butterflies in the net. We knew that the net held up to 10 butterflies. We did not know yet how many more butterflies we could. Now we know because we just proved it up here. There's 4. Okay? Does that make sense? So it's like 6 plus how many more gets us to 10. It's a different way of thinking about solving a problem. Okay? All right, so let's do some practice. All right, so boys and girls, we're going to play a game together. All right, it's going to be awesome. So all you need is your 10 frame, or should we call it our butterfly net, okay? And your red and yellow counters. You just need 10 of them, Okay, that's all you need. That's it. The rest, I will do the writing of the numbers, but you're going to do this part with me. Okay, so get those materials out. You put your word problem off to the side. You need your 10 frame, your counters, and then come back when you're ready. So stop the video, pause it, and then come back when you're ready. All right, so you should be ready to go. So here's how this works. Okay, so I'm going to, here, I'll put these up here, okay, above it. I'm going to roll one of my dice here and see what number I get. Okay, let's roll it. Ooh, I got a 9. Okay, so what I want you to do is put down 9 counters on your 10 frame. You can do red, yellow, I don't care what you do, but just put down 9 counters on your 10 frame, just like I'm doing, okay? All right, so you finish that up and then come back when you're, stop the video, put on 9 counters and then come back, okay? All right, so yours should look like mine, red or yellow, doesn't matter, but you should have 9 counters down on your 10 frame. Okay, so what we're looking at here is we're going to keep doing the same kind of word problem we were just doing, which is how many more butterflies do we need to add to our net to get to 10? So in this case, we already have 9, right? Plus how many more to get to 10, right? We don't know what that is, but we can figure it out. So how many more do we need to fill up our net? So in other words, 9 plus how many more gives us 10. What partner goes with 9 to make 10? You probably already said it like 5 times. You're shouting at me. 1, Mr. McAndrew. 1. Stop talking, Mr. McAndrew. It's 1, right? We can see it. It's right there. In fact, look, there's 1 counter left over. So if we added 1 more butterfly, we can see that 9 plus 1, that equals 10. Okay? Awesome. All right, let's try another one. Let's move these off. I'm going to roll my dice. So we don't know what I'm going to roll. And we don't know how many are going to be left over to fill, but we do know that we want it to add to 10 because we want to fill our butterfly net. Okay? All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll. Oh my gosh, I got another 9. I don't want another 9. I want to do something different. Oh, perfect. All right, so I got a 3. So everyone, put down 3 counters on your, 3 butterflies in your net. Okay, 1 butterfly. 2 butterflies, 3 Actually, I'm doing yellow this time. Oh yeah, I'm shaking it up, making it interesting. Living my best life. Okay. So I put 3 butterflies in my net. All right, so I've got 3. Now we want to fill up the net. We want to get a full net of butterflies because they're beautiful. We want to look at them. We're going to let them go later, of course. We just want to, look at them and admire them. But only 10 fit. That's it. So 3 plus how many more can we fit into this net? Well, figure it out. Okay, figure it out and come back and tell me what you think. All right, and I'll tell you what I think, and we'll see if we agree or not. All right, so stop the video for a few minutes. Take a look and see if you can figure out how many more butterflies would you need. All right, and then come back in a minute. All right, what'd you get? Did you get 7 like me? All right, now here's the deal. If you got 7 like me, then great job. If you did not get 7, then you have 2 choices right now. One, you could be like, oh, I didn't get it. This stinks. I'm not going to do any more. I must not be good at math. Or you could be like, I wonder what my mistake was. I'm going to learn from this. And bam, my brain's going to grow and I'm going to be awesome. So you could either be sad or you could be awesome. Your choice. I'm going with awesome, by the way. Awesome. Okay, so you could just count how many more butterflies could fit, right? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. Or if you like your counters, you could put down some red ones to see how many more we could fit in there. I could fit 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that 3 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 10. Okay? So this was a question mark. We didn't know. That was our equation. We didn't know. 3 plus something equals 10. Well, now we can see that 3 plus 7 equals 10. And once you memorize and really internalize and know your tens partners, right? Hello, just got big. Then you won't even need to use the counters. You'll be like, oh, 3. If I'm at 3, if I have $3 and something costs $10, how much more money do I need? Oh, tens partner, $7 more. $3, right? $3 plus 7 more, bam, gives me $10. Okay, so you can start to use this stuff. All right, let's do one more, and then I'm going to show you what you're doing for your own work. It's just like this, okay? Just like this. Only one video today, boys and girls. One video. All right, I know you love the 2, but we're only doing 1. Okay. All right, let's roll the dice. Sorry. And it's a 6. All right, I like 6s. Okay, so let's put down 6 counters. All right. Oh, I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to go red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. How are you doing it? Are you doing it like me or different? I'm spicing it up. Got to keep this interesting. All right. So I've got 6. The question is, right? If I know I've got 6, how many more do I need to add to get to 10? Okay, so let's look. We can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 empty spaces, right? And if I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus, I can write in here 4. Okay, gives me 10. And if I can show it, see, this is why I like to just do one color at a time. But I can show it by putting in my other counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. So let me show you what you're going to be doing for the rest of math without me, on your own. It's called independent is on your own. All right, so welcome back. So the last thing you need today in your math packet is this paper. It says Tuesday, missing tens partner, right? There's a missing tens partner. We're going to know one of them. We're going to find the other one. Okay, so here's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to need one of your dice. Okay, and a pen or a pencil. If you want to use your 10 frame with your counters, you can use it, but you don't have to. It's optional. Okay. All right, because we're gonna be doing some drawing. All right. So first, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do, and then you're going to do it. So just watch me for a minute. I'm gonna roll the dice, and I got a 9. No, I got a 6, just like I got before. Okay. So I know that my first number is 6, and I'm going to draw 6 dots or circles in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now I'm going to look and see how much more would I need to get to 10. Well, I can see that I need 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay? And I just finished the first one. All right? I'm done. All right, then I go to the next one. Okay, so you're not writing anything down yet. I'm just showing you what you're going to do, because you're going to roll the dice yourself. And you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll have 10 opportunities to do this. Okay? This time I got a 4. Okay, so I write down 4, and I would draw in 4 butterflies. And then I ask, well, how many more butterflies would I need to fill up the net? Well, I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So I can see there's 5 here, plus 1 more is 6. And again, look, 6 and 4 is 10. 4 and 6 is 10. 10's partners can change. Doesn't matter which one comes first. Remember, that's called a commutative property. You don't need to know that word. I'm just telling you what it is. It means you can change the order of addition problems. Okay, not subtraction, right? 3 minus 2 is not the same as 2 minus 3. Very different. Okay, so that's basically what you do, boys and girls. I'll do one more just to show you, and then you can get started. So I'm going to roll it. I got a 3. Let's pretend. I'm going to do something different. I haven't gotten a 2 in a while. Let's pretend like I got a 2. So I'm going to put in 2. Okay, so 2 plus what equals 10? I could just leave it blank, right? I can look at it and say, oh, I'm going to need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more butterflies, right? Or I could do some kind of mark like a